There is no one monitor placement that can keep all body parts happy at all times. The body wants the head aligned. The muscles don't have to work when our head is aligned.
The head is like 8 pounds, like a bowling ball. And if it's forward of your body, then you're supporting that out in space.
How we position our head is really important. If we remember that the eyes always win, that our focal distance between our eyes and the computer will dictate our posture.
It really depends on you taking inventory of your body, going, am I hurting anywhere? The monitor may need to move all day long depending on where you're feeling your discomfort. If you have back discomfort, you may need to draw that monitor close to you so you can lean back and get the full support of your chair. For multifocal users, having that monitor down may help them balance their head over the neck and shoulders. If the eyes are straining to see something, the eyes naturally will tell you, get closer. You may need to zoom your phone up so it gets bigger so your eyes are more comfortable, or you may need to draw your monitor in.
20-20-20 is a way to take breaks for your eyes. It means that for every 20 minutes that you're working on the computer, you should look up and focus your eyes on an object that's 20 feet away and hold that focus for about 20 seconds.
Notebook computers are fantastic. They're mobile. They help us move from point A to point B. Well, the challenge with a notebook is you get your hands on the keyboard and that display is staying in one position. You can tilt it a little, but you can't take it up and down. Ideally, you have an expansion monitor attached to an arm. Ideally, you have a separate keyboard.
So listen to that body. Keep your head up if that's what the most comfortable position is.
When the human is healthy and comfortable and out of discomfort, we thrive.